Hello and welcome to Adventures. Can't believe I'm actually saying that. I did do like a lot of questionnaires and not questionnaires, polls. I did a lot of polls on my Instagram to get this name, and this is what we came up with. So here we are. God knows if I'm actually going to make any money from it, it being demonetized because of the name. But hey, let's see what happens. I made this channel because I really want to kind of showcase my traveling in a landscape format, because Instagram and Facebook and everything like that just doesn't really give a landscape justice. Like, I absolutely love landscape photography and videography, so that's what I'm mainly going to try and focus on, and also want to focus on getting people kind of out of the big cities, out of the touristy stuff, and more into the kind of old-fashioned rural traveling, so to say. I've had the best experiences over the last 6 months traveling outside of the touristy areas. Yes, mostly on a motorbike in the middle of nowhere, but it's been the best, I think, personally for me, because not everyone speaks English. Not everything's 2 phone clicks away. You haven't really got Wi-Fi. You don't even know where you're going to stay. It just makes things a lot more interesting and dangerous. But hey, it is what it is. So without further ado, I'm going to show you some of the content I've made in Japan, and yeah, go from there. And here we go.
You just another disaster. You just another disaster. So I've been waiting forever, trying to mend us together, but time to show me no better. You just another disaster. I set myself on fire just to keep you. And my heart was so tired. What have we become? I set myself on fire just to keep you. And then my heart grows so tired. But what have we become? I set myself on fire just to keep you. And then my heart grows so tired. What have we become? I set myself on fire just to keep you. And then my heart grows so tired. What have we become? Just to keep you. Keep
Hee hee hee.